give y'all my honest review of the Afro Kinky Coily clip-in set from Better Lengths. So as you can see, my hair is freshly blow dried, and what I did was I used the stretching technique because I don't like to put a lot of heat on my hair. So to dry my hair, I did use the stretching technique. Now I'm going to braid the hair that will be underneath the clip-ins, and I'm going to section my leave out, which will usually be over here in this area because I like to do a side part, and then I leave out the edges. And that's it. I don't leave out any in the back because it's not necessary. So I usually do my part like, let's see, I think it's usually like right here. I've never done this on camera before, so yeah, it's kind of hard. Oh god. Hold on, I need to get my mirror because I'm not trying to look crazy out here. So now, as you can see, I have my leave out the way, and now it's time to start putting in my cornrows. So what I usually do after now is I take the braids in the back and I'll make like a jumbo, like a braid. Like I'll braid them all together. So the clip-ins are freshly washed and conditioned. So let's get started. Obviously, I'm going to start from the bottom, and I usually start with the track with the 3 clips on it, and then I move my way up to 4, then 5, and then the tracks that have 2 on it, I put at the very top with my leave out. So now my favorite part is blending. Here's a first glance at what it looks like with my leave out just blow dry. I haven't added any product to my leave out. I haven't blended it at all with the hair. So at first glance, this is what it looks like.
Grandma calls the bank and makes it impossible for your mom to cut you off again. I don't think that's such a good idea. I don't want to leave her.
Let me tell you, I am so happy with this purchase. As you can see, it's amazing. This is the first time that I've ever purchased like clip-in hair, extensions, anything that was so close to the texture of my hair. Like, I don't know if you can even see the difference. It's just great. I love it. So when I unboxed my package, the hair came in this bag, pretty cute packaging, and all of the clip-ins, I ordered 3 bundles, and the clip-ins all came together, and they look like this, and they came like this. Okay. Now, I have been wearing the hair for a couple of months. I purchased this back in November. I wore them for the first time in December, and I've been obsessed. Like, this has been my hairstyle with variations for the last couple of months because it's so convenient. The texture is amazing, and it's a great protective style for my hair. It doesn't require heat at all. I don't use any heat while the clip-ins are in. Every morning I just wake up, I wet the hair a little bit, put some twist in, and gel down my edges, and then once I get to work, I take the twists out, shake it around a little bit, and I'm good to go. And I am just so happy. Seriously, like, I don't know, just it was affordable. I got 3 bundles for I think $130. It was a Black Friday sale. I think it was $130. But the normal price right now for this set is $169. So not too bad. I did get a discount, but I mean, this hair lasts for a very long time as long as you care for it. Like, every time I install it, I do wash it with conditioner and detangle it with leave-in conditioner, because if not, it gets all dry and crusty, and you don't want that. Like I said, I highly, highly, highly recommend this. One important thing, you do need to know your curl pattern. The bundle sets do go according to your curl pattern. So my curl pattern is a 4C, which is why I got the Afro, Kinky, Coily. But they do have 3A, 3B, and up. So definitely know your curl pattern, because depending on what your curl pattern is, you will want to get the clip-in set that will be the best for you. So let me know down below if you guys have any more questions. When my hair is like this, I could sleep one night, and then the next evening I have to, of course, go back and wet it and retwist it. So you can't just like not retwist it. You know, you have to, otherwise it's gonna look crusty and dry. So definitely be willing to put that work in, and think about it, it's more convenient than having to actually do your own hair. Sometimes I just unclip them and take them out at night, and then that keeps the curls in longer. So you can also do that, that's an option. But like I said, this is great. It's very convenient for all my curly girls that don't want to do their hair. I've been super busy with work lately and church, so this has definitely come in handy. I am definitely pleased with my purchase, and I look forward to also like blow drying it. I know I've been trying to stay away from heat, but I am definitely going to show you guys what it looks like once I put some heat to it. I haven't yet. Like I said, I've had this hair since December, but I definitely will try and straighten it. I don't know, my natural hair has been growing so much because I've been staying away from heat, so I'm really hesitant to do that. But maybe I will for my birthday. I don't know, it's coming up in May. But like I said, some of you guys requested for me to come to you guys and give you more details about this product. Like I said, I highly recommend it for my curly girls, straight girls, whatever. As long as you have the time and patience to put in to actually care for the hair, it will go a long way and you will not regret it. Again, this is the Afro Kinky Coily clip-in set. I got 3 bundles because my hair is thick, so keep that in mind. And it is from Better Lengths. They are amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you have any more questions, I will be happy to answer them. Please comment down below, or you can follow me on Instagram and inbox me. My handle is at D_Martini with 3 I's. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!